So good morning students, welcome to Premchand Memorial Public School in 5th class. Okay, so today we will study English reader lesson 3rd, True Friends. Okay, so do you know who is true friends? Who they don't hide anything from each other and never lies to each other and ready to do anything for each other. They are ट्रू फ्रेंड्स वो होते हैं जो एक दूसरे से झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं, एक दूसरे का हर मुश्किल में साथ देते हैं और कुछ भी नहीं छुपाते हैं एक दूसरे से, तो वो होते हैं ट्रू फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन ट्रू फ्रेंड्स. हु वर दे वर सुदामा एंड Krishna. So let's read the story. Before reading story, there is warm up. Just read it first. Who among the following was the elder brother of Lord Krishna? Take the correct answer. So who among the following? Rama. There are 4 options also. Rama, Balrama, Sudama and Arjuna. Obvious Balrama was the elder brother of Lord Krishna. कृष्णा के जो बड़े भाई थे वो कौन थे? बलराम थे. Okay. Now come to first stanza. In ancient days, pupils were sent to the Guru's ashram for studies. They lived with the Guru, served him, and got education. Krishna and Sudama were 2 such pupils who stayed and studied at their Guru's ashram along with other pupils. Krishna belonged to a rich and royal family. Sudama was a poor Brahmin. They became intimate friends. They were the true friends and looked after each other very well. After completing their education, both went back to their respective homes. Some years passed. Lord Krishna became the king of Dwarika. So just try to understand in easy language. So what is being said here? In olden days, education was given in Guru's ashram. So in Krishna and Sudama's childhood, they too studied in Guru's ashram with all pupils. Pupils, there is a word given here. Pupils means students. So they study with all the pupils. Krishna was rich, but Sudama was a poor Brahmin. Instead of the great difference, they both were true friends, and after completing their education, they both gone to their respective home. Okay, respective means belonged home, apne apne ghar. Okay, after some years, as Krishna was a rich man, so he became the king of Dwarika. So what is being said here? Just try to understand in Hindi. कि पुराने ज़माने में जो एजुकेशन दी जाती थी वो गुरुकुल में दी जाती थी, गुरु के आश्रम में दी जाती थी. तो सुदामा और कृष्णा का बचपन भी गुरु के आश्रम में ही बीता है. वहाँ पे उन्होंने गुरु की सेवा करते थे और एजुकेशन लेते थे और सारे जो पीपल्स थे वहाँ पे सभी के साथ. लेकिन क्या डिफरेंस था कि जो सुदामा थे वो एक पुअर ब्राह्मण थे, गरीब ब्राह्मण थे, परिवार से थे, और कृष्णा जो थे, कृष्णा बहुत ही रिच फैमिली से बिलोंग रखते थे. इतना डिफरेंस होने के बावजूद में दोनों में बहुत गहरी दोस्ती थी. ठीक है. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग देयर एजुकेशन, जब उनकी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट हो जाती है तो वो अपने अपने घर चले जाते हैं और कुछ सालों बाद जो कृष्ण होते हैं वो राजा बनते हैं. कहाँ के? द्वारिका के राजा बन जाते हैं. ठीक है. और जो गरीब ब्राह्मण होता है वो उनका देखिए क्या होता है. कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज. ओके. हाँ. सुदामा रिमेन्ड अ पुअर मैन. He was so poor that sometimes his wife and children had to go without food. Many times Sudama had told his wife that Krishna, the king of Dwarka, was his best friend. One day Sudama's wife said to him, "Why don't you go to your friend Krishna? He is now a king. He will surely help you." Sudama, the poor Brahmin, was shy of meeting his rich friend. His wife requested him again and again to go to Krishna. At last, being compelled by want and poverty, he left for Dwarka. He carried some roasted rice with him to be presented to his dear friend. Okay. On reaching the king's palace at Dwarika, he told the servants that he wanted to see his friend Krishna. He was poorly dressed, so the servant could not believe that this poor fellow could be the king's friend. They would not allow him to go inside the palace, but Sudama repeatedly requested them. Finally, one of the servants took pity on him. He told the king that a poor man named Sudama wanted to see him. Krishna was overjoyed when he heard the name of Sudama. So what happened? What is being said here? Sudama remained a poor Brahmin, okay, while Krishna became the king of Dwarika. He was so poor that sometimes his family had no food to eat, but many a times he told his wife about his and Krishna's friendship. So Sudama's wife suggested him to go to Krishna and ask for some help. But Sudama was very shy to ask help to Krishna, but his wife kept forcing him to go there, and ultimately he left for Dwarika. He took some roasted rice to eat for Krishna, as he had nothing to give him. ओके। सो क्या था, क्या कहा जा रहा है इसमें कि जो सुदामा थे वो पुअर ही रहे और जो कृष्णा थे वो जो द्वारिका के राजा बन गए। तो अब क्या था कि अब वो सुदामा इतने गरीब थे कि उनके पास कभी कभी उनकी फैमिली के पास होता ही भी नहीं था खाने के लिए। तो सुदामा जो है लेकिन अपना किस्से सुनाते थे, अपनी फ्रेंडशिप के किस्से सुनाते थे अपनी वाइफ को, सुदामा और अपनी कृष्णा और अपनी फ्रेंडशिप के किस्से सुनाते थे। तो एक दिन उनकी वाइफ ने सजेस्ट किया कि तुम जाते क्यों नहीं हो कृष्णा के पास, वो तो इतने रिच है, तुम्हारी हेल्प ज़रूर करेंगे। लेकिन वो जो सुदामा थे वो इतना शाय थे कि उनके पास जाना ज़रूरी नहीं समझते थे, क्योंकि कृष्ण तो बहुत रिच थे। तो अब बार बार उनकी वाइफ ने जब उनको फोर्स किया तो उनको द्वारिका के लिए निकलना ही पड़ा। तो उन्होंने क्या लिया, सम रोस्टेड राइस। रोस्टेड राइस मीन्स सम कुछ भुने हुए उन्होंने चावल रख लिए कृष्णा को भेंट में देने के लिए। ओके। आफ्टर रीचिंग द्वारिका, सर्वेंट्स डिड नॉट अलाउ हिम टू गो इनसाइड एज ही वॉज वियरिंग पुअर ड्रेस एंड लुकिंग पुअर ऑल्सो। नोबडी बिलीव्ड हिम दैट ही can be the friend of King Krishna, but the servants among all took pity on him and told Krishna that some poor friend named Sudama came to meet you. As he listened the name of Sudama, he just ran without wearing any slipper in his feet. ओके। तो क्या है अब नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा की हिंदी देखिए एक बार। ऑन रीचिंग द किंग्स पैलेस, जब वो किंग्स के पैलेस में पहुंचता है तो द्वारिका पे जब गेट कीपर उनको रोक लेते हैं, उनको अंदर जाने नहीं देते, उनको अलाउ नहीं करते कि आपको अंदर जाना है, क्योंकि उसने बहुत ही गंदी ड्रेसेस और बहुत ही मतलब पुअर ड्रेस पहन रखी थी, तो उनको वो अलाउ नहीं करते हैं जाने के लिए। ठीक है। तो लेकिन उसमें जो द्वारपाल होते हैं, जो गेट कीपर होते हैं, उसमें एक गेट कीपर को उनके ऊपर तरस आ जाता है। वो जाके कृष्णा से बोलते हैं कि कोई सुदामा नाम के आपके फ्रेंड है, वो आपसे मिलने के लिए आए हैं। जैसे ही वो कृष्णा सुदामा का नाम सुनते हैं, वैसे ही बिना चप्पल पहने ही गेट की तरफ भागे दौड़ते हैं उनको लेने के लिए। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट पेज। He himself went running bare feet to the gate of the palace to welcome his friend. All the servants were very surprised. The Lord Krishna was embarrassing the poor Brahmin and led him into the palace. Krishna took good care of his friend. He gave him rich food to eat and royal clothes to wear. He dressed his wounds. Sudama had brought some roasted rice to be given as a present to his friend Krishna, but it seemed it would be very poor present for a king. Sudama hesitated to offer it to the king, but Krishna took it away from Sudama and relished it with great joy. Krishna felt extremely happy to meet his friend after such a long time. Some months passed. Sudama was happy and comfortable in the company of his true friend. He enjoyed the hospitality of his friend. He could not tell Krishna the real purpose for his arrival to him, but Krishna knew everything. At last, the day came when Sudama had to leave for home. On the way, he thought that he had not asked for anything from Krishna. What had he gone there and for? Why? Okay, so what happened? What is being said here? So he himself ran to who is he here? He is Krishna. He himself ran to call Sudama inside without wearing slipper in his feet. All were surprised to see the dedication of Krishna towards poor fellow. Sudama was given a good care and true love from Krishna. He given him royal clothes to wear, dressed his wound by holding Sudama's feet in his arms. Sudama felt very happy and very shy and sad and poor also to give roasted rice to Krishna, but Krishna himself took it away the roasted rice and started eating as though it was much delicious than any other royal food. Okay, so what is being said here? So क्या होता है कि जो कृष्णा होते हैं, जो कृष्णा को पता लगता है कि जैसे ही सुदामा आए हुए हैं तो वो दौड़ते हैं गेट की तरफ उनको लेने के लिए, और उनको लेके आते हैं, खुद ही लेके आते हैं। उनके पैरों में चप्पल भी नहीं होती, इतना एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं वो। जब लाके उसको बिठा के उनकी गुड केयर करते हैं, उनके जो घाव होते हैं उन पे मरहम लगाते हैं, उनको अच्छा खाना देते हैं खाने के लिए, रॉयल क्लोथ्स देते हैं पहनने के लिए। ठीक है। तो जो सुदामा होते हैं उनको थोड़ा संकोच होता है कि भाई इतने बड़े राजा हैं, ये मेरे फ्रेंड बेच सकें, इतने बड़े राजा, इनको मैं रोस्टेड राइस कैसे दूँ, ये तो बहुत तुच्छ सी भेंट होगी, बहुत छोटी सी भेंट होगी अपने राजा दोस्त को देने के लिए। तो लेकिन सुदामा जो होते हैं हेजिटेट होते हैं इसके लिए, लेकिन जो कृष्णा होते हैं वो खुद ही निकाल के उनकी पोटली से चावल खाने लगते हैं और इस तरह से उस डिश को एंजॉय करते हैं जैसे कि वो रॉयल डिश से भी कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छी डिश थी। इस तरह से वो भुने हुए चावल को खाते हुए एंजॉय करते हैं। सम मंथ पास्ट Okay, so what happened in next stanza? Sudama stayed for few months and enjoyed the hospitality. Hospitality means mehman nawazi, but he did not discuss anything about his poverty and family to Krishna. Without saying anything, he left Dwarika. But the Lord Krishna, as Lord Krishna, he already knew everything while Sudama was worried that what will he say to his wife and children. अब क्या था कि वो कई महीने सुदामा जो हैं कृष्णा के पास रहते हैं, बड़े आराम से रहते हैं और उनकी कंपनी को एंजॉय करते हैं, ठीक है, और जो उन्होंने मेहमान नवाजी की उनको भी एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन वो कुछ भी कह नहीं पा रहे थे कृष्णा से कि किस पर्पज़ के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं, क्योंकि उनको बहुत ही ये अजीब लग रहा था कि मतलब अपनी गरीबी बताऊँ यहाँ पे या जो भी कुछ है बताऊँ इसको और इनको कृष्णा को और अपनी इनकी हेल्प लूँ। तो वो बिना कुछ कहे निकल गए, लेकिन कृष्णा तो कृष्णा है, वो सब कुछ जानते थे। तो व्हाट हैपन, जस्ट लुक एट नेक्स्ट पेज। He was a poor as ever before. What will he see to his wife and his children? As he reached home, he was greatly surprised. He found that his hut was no more there. In its place, there stood a grand palace. He was worried about his wife and children. Where would his poor children be? Sudama's wife was standing behind a window. She saw her husband worried and puzzled. She beckoned. Beckoned means signaled. इशारा देना, him to come in. Sudama was very happy to see his wife, children and the new house. All of them were dressed in fine and beautiful clothes. He wondered to see this amazing change. Then his wife told him that when he was in Dwarika, Lord Krishna understood that his friend lived in poverty and was in a great want. So he did all this without Sudama's knowledge. He got them new place to live in, beautiful clothes to wear, and rich food to eat. It was in this wonderful way that Lord Krishna had helped his poor friend. Krishna and Sudama were such a true friend. So what happened here? Just try to understand in easy language. Sudama was worried that what will he say to his wife and children, as he didn't tell anything to Krishna about his poverty, but he was in great surprise to see the palace at the place of his hut and started thinking where his children would have gone. But when he saw his wife and children in royal dresses, he wondered a lot. His wife told that your Krishna, she said, did it without your knowledge. He understood everything why you went there and he did it all. It was his wonderful way to help his poor friend. Really, they were the best friends. So what happened here? आई एम टेलिंग यू हिंदी। जैसे ही वो सोचते हुए जाते हैं कि वो अपने बीवी और बच्चों को क्या कहेंगे जाके, क्योंकि उन्होंने तो कृष्णा को अपनी पॉवर्टी के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताया से ही, लेकिन जैसे ही वो अपने घर पहुंचते हैं तो वो क्या देखते हैं कि उनकी कुटिया की जगह, हट की जगह एक महल खड़ा हुआ है। उनके बीवी बच्चे बड़ी शान शौकत से उस महल में रह रहे हैं, अच्छी अच्छी ड्रेस पहन रहे हैं, अच्छा उनके पास खाने के लिए है। तो वो उसने सोचा कि भाई ये किसके घर आ गया हूँ मैं, लेकिन जब उसकी बीवी ने देखा कि भाई ये सरप्राइज़ है तो उन्होंने इशारा करके उनको अपनी तरफ बुलाया और सारी चीज़ें एक एक करके बताई कि भाई जब तुम द्वारिका में थे तो जो आपके जो फ्रेंड हैं वो सब कुछ समझ गए कि आप वहाँ पे क्यों आए हो, आपने तो कुछ नहीं कहा, उन्होंने ये सब आपकी विदाउट नॉलेज कर दिया। ठीक है, तो ये थे कृष्णा और सुदामा की अमेजिंग स्टोरी। दे वर सच अ good friends. So just hope you like the story. Just wait for assignment. Bye, take care.